And welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. My name is James Henderson, coming to you live from where else? Malairte Bitcoin's headquarters.com here in Houston, Texas. We've got a great show for you. We're going to be going over the ins and out of what Malairte Bitcoin is, what other options are out there for you, and give you proof of what's going on with and how Malairte works. So, what is MalairteBitcoin.com? Malairte is Gaelic. It means exchange. So if you translate Malairte Bitcoin into English, it means Bitcoin exchange. What are we exchanging? We're exchanging all sorts of different type of altcoins. In retrospect, that we're going to make more Bitcoins and more ethereum. All right. So that's the way this is working. That's pretty cool. So if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel and we'll get on with our show. So what's our vision statement? Our vision statement is to reinvest all your Bitcoins and Ethereums with all your coins that you want to trade. So there's over 257 altcoins that are in Bittrex right now, currently, and we want to trade all of them to make you more money, or actually more Bitcoin in today's world. Our goal and objective to increase your Bitcoin and Ethereum and buying and selling the altcoins that you want us to trade, increase your net worth by 1% a day, and then give full control over your trading strategy. So we want to give you the full control. We don't want to be a black box that is hidden, all our secrets, and we want to make sure that we also give you full control to where if you make money that day and you need it that day, you can go ahead and transfer it into another wallet and then transfer it into either money or purchase whatever item that you may need. So by that 1% a day, that sounds way too good to be true. Well, keep listening and we'll show you. So today's situation, you can manually buy and sell altcoins 24 hours a day, but that would mean that you'd lose sleep and work hours. You'd stay in front of a computer. You'd wither away because you're not eating, and your butt would get fat because you're sitting all day, and your back would start aching, and you lose money, and life would be absolutely miserable. Or you can give money to some other guy that would transfer it into their token in hopes that that token doesn't crash by the time you get out of it. Or you can get into an MLM. There seems to be a lot of them today. Well, the problems with MLMs is they've all got all these fees, and it's funny to see everyone's making all this money on these MLMs, but so far no one's been able to pull any money out. That's some serious questioning right there. So how did we get here? Well, I've been an automation developer for the last 25 years. I've got a computer science degree, cryptology degree, and mathematics degree. I've got a lot of math degrees. It's not all that hard. You get yourself a math degree or a computer science degree, you spend one more year in college, and you get yourself a cryptology and math degree. So it's just pretty much I stayed in school because I had nothing else to do. I've also got a long story about that, but you don't want to hear it. So about a year ago, I had a vision that I wanted to automate my stock trades. A lot of companies were out there automating their stock trades, but I've heard some very negative reviews on there and how they were losing money. And of course, the algorithm that I had in my head that I was doing manually, I was actually making money at. Well, after getting it to the point where I wanted to attach my program to the NASDAQ said, you've got a great idea, but the market's flooded and we're requiring $1 million for you to give us, we'll give you an API key for a large sum of money, $1 million. I'm sure it's changed now, but I didn't have $1 million, and so I started trading altcoins because I started mining feather coins, believe it or not. So what's a feather coin? I mean, is it prevalent? Is it going to be the next gold mine? No, it's a steady altcoin, but still, I was having fun mining, and I wanted to sell my feather coins to bitcoins, and of course, Bittrex at the time was the only exchange out there that would exchange the feather coins to bitcoins. And then I had all these bitcoins laying around, and then I started buying and selling all these bitcoins. Well, I knew a lot about day trading, so I was using my tactics about buying and selling. Well, the day trading concept doesn't really convert, or parallel over to the altcoin measurements, because technically there is no day in day trading altcoins. It's 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So I had to change my way of thinking, and eventually I came up with this algorithm that I was buying and selling, and I was making money at. However, though, I still had a full-time job, had a wife, had 2 dogs I needed to take care of, and well, the list goes on and on. But also, I didn't want to give a company full access to my exchange account to do this for me, and I also wanted to take my money out any time. So I didn't want to give my money away to this other altcoin that, in retrospect, I wasn't quite sure that they were going to be around next year, even though a lot of people are hyping about it. Well, yeah, we've heard the stories before, And like I said, a lot of these MLMs, I haven't found anyone that can take money out yet that I've known personally. So, yeah, there's another story for you. And if you're one of those guys, congratulations. Get in touch with me. I just haven't. I've talked to a lot of people though. So, what are my available options? Well, currently, at that time, I could have gave someone my Bitcoin, have them trade for me. Well, I didn't want to do that. I could have joined a multi-level marketing firm and have them lose money for me. I didn't want to do that either. I could sit in front of my computer and lose touch with reality. Well, being a programmer, I'm halfway there. But I didn't want to lose the other half of me. Because, like I said, I still have a wife and kids. And, well, my dogs are my kids, so let's put it that way. And then, or I could sit there. I know to a lot of people, they just don't have time to learn different strategies based on the positions of trading Bitcoin in the cryptocurrency market. That's a big deal to them. However, though, you know what? My time's eaten up with everything else that I need to do here while I'm on Earth. So my recommendations, I can now go to MalairteBitcoin.com. I give them trading access to my Bittrex account. I keep full control over my Bittrex account, and I can pull money out anytime. So when I make it, and I don't want to reinvest it, I just keep pulling it out as time goes on. So here's a proof of concept. I've got a little bit of Bitcoin, and I want to trade for a whole bunch of altcoins. Well, great. I'm going to go ahead and give him my money, and in return, he's going to give me my altcoins. But as time goes on, I find out that my altcoins are worth a little bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and sell them. And then he's going to go ahead and give me, his money, and therefore I've made money from it. So I'm going to do that again. I was like, hey, I've got more money, so I can buy a different altcoin. He's going to give me his coins, and in return, I'm going to give him my coins. And then, of course, I find out my coins are worth more, so I'm going to go ahead and sell my coins, and he's going to give me more Bitcoin. And, of course, now I've made money from this. So once again, he's going to give me his altcoins. I'm going to give him my Bitcoins, and so on and so on. So now, when I sell the altcoins, I'm going to have more money. So now I've got all these fractions of altcoins. And of course, I'm just going to keep doing that to now multiple people. And so we just keep doing that until we can make more money. And so on and so on. So now I've made more money, and the rest is history. And then I'm going to keep doing that to where I have 3 people, 4 people. It's pretty cool. So just to give you a heads up of the last couple minutes that I've been able to share with you, you can start today. It's free. Log on to https://bitrix.malairtebitcoin.com/register. Then after you do that, you want to make sure that you have 11 pages of altcoins. If you don't, just go ahead and contact me. We have so many people hitting the site that not all the coins are being registered into your account, and so just give me 24 hours, it'll activate. Then you place your API keys that you have from Bitrix. If you don't know how to do that, there's some great YouTube videos on how to activate your API keys on bitrix.com. Then you would activate your account after you've updated your API keys. And then the commission rate to start is 0.01 Bitcoin per 1,000 trades. So that's how you get started. So let's go back here to my Bitrix account. So I've added my API keys, click to update, then click to activate. I've also set my coins so I can deactivate and activate the coins that I want to trade. And then let's say if I have 4 Bitcoins sitting in my account, then I want to up my maximum Bitcoins to 0.04 to get maximum value from my trades. And then if we look on my bitrix.com account, you can tell I've been buying and selling all day long. I haven't done this manually. This is something that I get to do on my free time and make spare beer money. And being Irish, that's a given. So we're buying and selling Ethereum coins and Bitcoins. Yeah. All right, my gold I'm buying gold. Well, that's cool. And then, of course, as soon as I buy them, I sell them. So usually with the 4 pennies that I'm dealing with, I get a return of 0.0008. So what does that mean in Bitcoin? It actually means a lot here. In fact, let me bring up a calculator. So 0.0008 is my revenue when I buy and sell 4 altcoins. Of course, if I keep selling those type of deals per day, let's say I sell 100 of them per day, which is not unreal, times the current price of Bitcoin, that's what I made per day. And of course, you just multiply that if you're doing that 30 times for each month. That's not a bad monthly salary. So let's show you proof. I downloaded what I've been doing for the last 4 months. And of course, I'm just buying and selling all these Bitcoins and altcoins. And we're buying and selling, and then we're buying and selling, and we're buying and selling. And of course, I'm going to scroll really far down because I know everyone's tired of watching this video. So I first made my first trade, like I said, Feathercoin, right? I buy it, I sell it, buy it and sell it, buy it and selling it on the 4th. But of course, that's 13,800 trades. Ah, cool, went up 200 trades today. Of course, one trade's a buy and the other trade's a sell. And that's what I've done so far with Malairte Bitcoin. I am currently working on version 2, so that'll give you a little bit more control over your account, and to where, let's see, let's go back here, and in hopes that we get better returns from it. So when you log in for the first time, you can go to malairtebitcoin.com and click, log in, how to, forms, contacts, but you get the gist of it. If you got any questions, comments, or concerns, sign up for our account and forums. And of course, you can say, hey, I'm interested in creating a new post. And you're going to have to sign in. I'll approve you to make sure that we don't have any type of scammer or spammer. Well, actually both. And of course, if you need to get in contact with me, just click on contact. And of course, your message will get directly mailed to me. But for everyone who doesn't have time, well then, maybe this is a good time. And of course, Bittrex right now is having a hard time with the complete section. I know I have orders closed. So it is 2:44. 3 minutes ago, I bought NLG. Also bought gold. I'm in the process of selling techs. A lot of people turn this one off. Maybe it's I don't know, they just don't want to buy and sell hemp coins. Hey, the way I see it, it's making money. I don't partake in the herb. I just buy and sell the coin. So the market's looking pretty good. I've been watching it all day. It's been pretty healthy. And now it's the best time to get in. Because think about it. Let's go with the feather coin. So it's down 12. Well, I was going to show you my history, but apparently we're having technical difficulties. But I know I'm doing a lot. I'm still buying and selling. That's for sure. So until next time, guys. If you want to buy and sell, let me know. All right. Well, anyways. Look at that. Bitcoin's at 7,700. Pretty impressive. Alright. Maybe it's because I'm streaming. I don't know. But anyways, I'm going to let you go, and y'all have an awesome day. Bye-bye.